I think that worked. Ah! Far out. Oh! We have to have a big one. But what are we building? There's no city.
What the heck is that?
What the heck is that? Bye bye. Bye bye. That's amazing thing. Oh. Oh. I think you need a support beams there. Ow! Why do I feel like I'm underwater? So ready, trick shot. No, trick shot. Okay, I'm gonna get building.
Right! Yo!
It makes you explode. It's serious. It makes you explode. It went down the back of the couch. Look at this. It's a big jumper water.
Oh! And then it lands back.
Blah, 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 blah. Shut up. I'm gonna get copyright. I don't even know what I mean. Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh! This is my jelly bean. Wait, can we do a flip? We need to flip. Oh, let's go!
Whoa! It doesn't.
Got a little quiz. Does the chain line look like this? Yes. Wait, that's gonna go under. Ooh! No! No!
You better not break it. It won't break.
It won't break. You're dumb. No. I can do it. Move it this way. Wait, no. Blah, blah, blah. Ow! Okay. That's gonna be a hill going down. You don't move anything. No, sorry, that has to go there. It's cool, it's epic, it's crazy. Sorry, I need to continue it. I can't just leave it at that end.
Sorry, I need to continue. I can't just.
Okay. No laughing allowed. Let's put it that way.
I got a 2 out. I got it!
Yes, it was! Oh look! For once! We got the 2 outcome! Sorry, this is the thumbnail, sorry. I'm gonna keep this.
I'm gonna put it there.
And then when the track's done, I'm gonna hold it over the track. Let's go! What's the heaviest car? A red one. The fire train is the lightest. It's not like everything in this room is a train. Anything that has a wheel.
This has wheels.
Hang on. Anything that has wheels. What's the heaviest?
Completely nothing.
Are you making a jump? Yeah. Do you think a train does a jump? Yeah. I guess it's straight. Yeah. No. Oh, that's actually perfect. That's actually perfect. No way. No hacking.
No hacking. No hacking.
Why? Are there any long straight bits? So you need to put these in first. Are there any long straight bits? And then you need to put that. Are there any long straight bits? And then that goes there. Are there any long straight bits? Down thing there. Are you deaf? And then that comes. Are you deaf? There, and then you attach that right to there. Are you deaf? And then that goes there, yep, and then you take that out, and then that goes there, and then yes. Right-o! Where are all the straight bits? You know we have another box. I found it! No, the challenge is fast. Fast is the challenge. The battery is running low. The battery is running low. The battery is running low. Two in. No! You made my thing fall down. Push it the other way for goodness sake before you can't. For goodness sake before you can't. And your thing's there. How are you gonna move that? I think I see a red bed spider.
That is definitely a spider. Can you see?
Yep.
Like running across the trains. There's a red back.
Just take the train track out. Take that bit out and see what it is. Oh, we got a dramatic gameplay here. Little Lion versus the spider. Dramatic boss battle. Here we come. Let's go. Go! Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Epic boss battle. That gets up to my heart. Let's go. We gotta get that going. Ready? Ready. Come on. Where's 5%? Where's the hill? Oh my gosh, this is completely broken. What have you done? There's a war. What is happening? This is a real train line. 3% remaining. Where do I go? Where do I go? Seriously. Wait, what does it read on your Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Oh, my back!
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, my back! Now we're gonna run! Ronnie, Johnny, down! Ronnie, Johnny, down!
Push it the other way for goodness sake before you can't. Okay, we're done. We're completely done. Let me see if there's anything else. Go! Pack everything up. Triangle. Oh, there he goes! Oh! And we are done. I'm putting stuff in the bins. There are no space. It's overflowing.